5. So class, today we discuss about the component of wellness and components of health related fitness. Okay class? So first topic is components of wellness and second topic is components of health related fitness. Okay class? So basically the first we talking about components of wellness. In components of wellness there are some types of the wellness. So first wellness is physical wellness, second is social wellness, third emotional, spiritual, nutritional or environmental wellness. So these type of all components of wellness. And also we talk about the components of physical fitness related. Okay, so in this topic related to talking about the cardiovascular endurance, muscular strength, flexibility, muscular endurance and body composition. Okay class? So in this topic we are understanding what the role of all components of wellness and health related fitness. Okay, so in our daily life how to do and how to they are work in our physical activity, what are the benefits in all type of components. Okay class, so let's start it first of components of wellness. So class, in components of wellness, their first point is physical wellness. Okay, so in physical wellness promotes proper care of our bodies. Okay class, for optimal health and functioning. Okay class, so basically in physical wellness he was promoting our proper care of body, our body and optimal the health and functions. Okay, so there are many elements of physical wellness that's all must be cared for together. Okay class, so overall physical wellness encourages the balance of physical activity, nutrition and mental well-being. Okay, so to keep our body in top condition. Okay class, so basically the physical wellness means is to proper care of your body for optimal health and proper functioning and overall physical wellness encouraging your balance of physical activity, nutrition and mental well-being, so to keep your body top condition. Okay class, so there are some benefits of physical wellness. So first number is benefits of physical activity, immediate benefits, weight management, reduce your health risk, strength your body bones and muscles, improve your ability to do daily activity and prevent falls. Okay, so last one is increase your chances for living longer. Okay class, basically physical wellness means कि have कि how to live a good lifestyle and without any fatigue and without any tension you do your work properly. Okay, so class, let's move next page. So in next page we're talking about the word number 2 type of wellness, so components of wellness. So number 2 is social wellness. Okay, so in social wellness is the relationship you have and how to interact within them. Okay, it is also means maintaining your health both of outside of those relationship and within them as well. Okay, and now both said that about the social wellness. So social wellness is a important part of your our overall health. Okay, as human being we are a social creature. Okay class, so basically we are a social creature. Now we talking other persons and we have now family, we are just like we have a social types of work we are doing now. So this is we call our social creatures. Okay, So let's move next page. So in next page we're talking about the emotional wellness. Okay. So emotional wellness is the ability to successfully handle life's stress and adapt to change and difficult times. Okay, class. So basically, the emotional wellness means is to successfully handle your all kind of life stress and adapting to changing the difficult times. Means कि आपके you have a difficult time means you have problem any kind of just like money problem, family problems, and other study problem, stress. So in emotional wellness they are keep maintaining your stress level and also नो कि आप कैसे हैंडल करें अपने इस स्ट्रेस को. ओके. सो देयर आर सम टाइप points of the emotional wellness. So you are comfortable with who you are. Okay, you are adaptable and resilient. You have positive relationship with the people in your life. You have a sense of purpose. You take care of your physical health. You are comfortable saying no. Okay, class. This is all about the emotional wellness. So let's move next page. So in next page we're talking about the spiritual wellness. Okay. So spiritual wellness provide us with system of faith, beliefs, value, ethics, principles, and morals. Okay. So spiritual wellness allow one to live a life constant with his or her own belief and moral system. We establish our feeling of purpose and find meaning in life events. Okay, class. So this is about the spiritual wellness. So let's move next page. So next page we're talking about the nutritional wellness. Okay. So in nutritional wellness focus on improving health through incorporating a balanced diet in your daily life. Okay, guys. So basically, in nutritional wellness, in talking about the your balanced diet and without incorporating your diet and your food taking systems. Okay, in your daily life. Okay. So let's move next page. So in next page, we're talking about the financial wellness. Okay. So basically, financial wellness means you have a about the what condition to your financial condition and okay. So in financial wellness refer to a person's overall financial health and absence of money related stress. Okay. It is the result of successful expense management. Financial wellness is an important part of overall employees' well-being, which consists of physical, mental, and financial wellness. Okay, class. So basically, in financial wellness, we knowing about the how to manage your expenses and how to manage your financial conditions. Okay. So let's move next page. So in next page, we're talking about the intellectual wellness. Okay. Intellectual wellness is the ability to open our minds to new ideas and experience. Okay, class. So basically, the intellectual wellness about to your mind related. Okay. So in basically, it's work to our new ideas and experience to applied up personal decisions. Okay, and group interaction and community betterment. Okay, so concept improve skill and seek challenging in pursuit of lifelong learning contributes to our intellectual wellness. Okay. सो बेसिकली इसका जो कॉन्सेप्ट है वो आपका लाइफ लॉन्ग लर्निंग कंट्रीब्यूशन चलता है जस्ट लाइक यू नो कि आपकी कभी भी सीखने की कोई उम्र एज नहीं होती एज ग्रुप नहीं होता तो जस्ट लाइक कॉलिंग वी आर कॉलिंग द एक्सपीरियंस सो दैट्स in this point we talking about the intellectual wellness. Okay, so class, now we talking about the environmental wellness. Okay, So, environmental wellness is the ability to recognize our own responsibility for the quality of the air and water and the land that surround us. Also, okay, class. So, basically, you know what is the environment. Okay, so in environment, we're talking about the our air quality, air or water and lands and others योर सराउंडर मीन्स यूर आपका आसपास का जो एरिया है उसके बारे में सो बेसिकली इसमें आपको एक पॉजिटिव इम्पैक्ट और क्वालिटी ऑफ आवर इन्वायरमेंट बी इट आवर होम्स और आवर कम्युनिटी और आवर प्लांट कंट्रीब्यूट टू आवर environmental wellness. Okay, basically we're talking about the environmental wellness to how तो आप कैसे उसको एक अच्छा वेल बीइंग इन्वायरमेंट बना सकते हैं और कैसा होना चाहिए. ओके, सो बेसिकली वी टॉकिंग अबाउट इन दिस environmental wellness.
So class, I hope you all understand the components of wellness and components of health related fitness. So class, stay fit, stay healthy. Thank you class.